Hey guys, Whiskers here. Man, the Happy Hippie and I are just too excited. Yesterday, I got my quilt in. Today, the Happy Hippie got hers. These are from UGQ in Wisconsin. They're both 950 fill. They're both 0 degrees. I won't go into too many details now because I'm going to put up a video when we do our whole sleep system. But this is the unboxing. It says don't use a sharp knife on it, so I'm not going to use a sharp knife on it. Okay, that's the way it's starting out. Here we go. First thing out of the box is a bag that you store it in. Big bag. This is how you store them when you're not using them. Okay, lay that down over here. Next thing out is the straps. I'll explain all how this goes together when we do the actual video. This is just the unboxing. These are the straps that hold it to your pad. We ordered one extra for each bag. And the next thing, drum roll please, is the actual quilt. Woohoo! Look at this. UGC.
UGQ.
UGQ. That's baby. I'm going to stand up just a little bit so we can get this quilt out of here. What color did you order, Happy Hippie? I know it's green on the inside, and what blue is this? Do you remember?
No.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
Blue.
I think it's the royal blue, but I'm not sure. Don't quote
Sounds
me on
right.
that. We'll get the actual colors to you. Wow, look at this. Well, I'm gonna unsnap it just a little bit so you guys can see what we're talking about here. It has 3 snaps where the straps go in. We'll explain those here in a little bit. This is the inside. Of course, this is the outside. Wow. I'm not going to go into too many details, but as we're up doing this, I'll show you. This has a zippered foot box, and then it also has little draw cords on the end so you can take them loose, and the quilt will just come unfolded. We ordered these specifically. We did not want a closed sewn foot box. They offer it in a sewn foot box, meaning this part from this snap down doesn't come apart. It's just all one piece. We didn't want that because I want to be able to wiggle my feet out, and so did she. But this zipper actually comes all the way undone. And then you have a quilt. And up here on the front end, just on the head, it has a puffed neck ring that has 950 fill in it. Once again, there's little drawstrings here. You can take this and open this up, and this quilt will just keep folding apart. And pretty soon you have what looks like a normal real quilt. Anyway, that's how it comes out of the box, man. We're super stoked. Grandkids are coming in a couple weekends, and we're going to go out and use it. I will be posting a video later on the entire sleep system, so watch for that on my channel. Appreciate you joining us. Look how big that's getting already. I mean, this
Filling up.
No, I'm just filling.